onions and bell pepper, fried potatoes, and carrots. With banana! First dish, fish stew. Fish stew. Yummy. Yummy. Oopsie, I put it. Okay, this fish stew was made by my mom. It's super yummy. What is this? I'm not gonna say it. My mom said if I eat okra, I'm gonna be healthy. Healthy? No! Yummy. Now the next dish is we're gonna taste this fried potatoes. Yay, potatoes! Yummy! Tastes like French fries. It tastes like French fries. Yummy! If you make this, you're gonna taste it like French fries. It tastes like French fries. I want to taste the carrot. Look what my dad made. He made a flour carrot. It tastes like crunchy. This thing tastes like a little bit sweet and crunchy. It tastes like burger. Then we're gonna taste this flour. We're gonna do a carrot race. Whoever finishes the carrots first wins. 1, 2, 3, go. And then. And now we're gonna eat this bell pepper and white onion. Now this is spicy. I have wings. What is this like? bananas and one little banana. Whoever wins something. Banana! Banana. 1, 2, 3, go! The red part. I can't eat it.
One more last time. One more.
Go.
Oh, that's food.
For the food.
Thanks, Cat. Goody. Kind of googly. What is it? Open it, man. Open it.
Okay.
What's that?
It's YouTube. And then wait.
Hey, let's read it. Presented to Have Fun with Benton for passing 30 subscribers. Congratulations at the rate and
Hopeful.
picture. Thank you so much for 50 subscribers. I don't know why it says 30, but thank you so much. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. I know this is not a real play button, but it means a lot to us. Even though my dad made it. And it's super pretty. And it's like a real one. So we will thank you.
Thank you.
And we're almost at 70 subscribers.